Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add more slots and grow a garden game of Roblox new Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Safari update has been dropped in Grow a Garden. And then in this update guys, you will be able to add one more slot on your garden. I'm going to click on save slot, and as you can see, they have added one more slot. So you can add new slot for your garden. And I have already bought the slot 3, and if I'm not mistaken it cost 1 trillion shackles. Okay, and I'm going to load my slot 3. Okay, it's still empty guys, and yeah, I'm so happy because they have added this feature because I need more slot for my garden. And okay guys, that's how we can add more slot and grow a garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!